Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is the evening of January the 11th, 2025. I'm feeling stronger every day. I said last night that I was be getting some merchandise delivered today for the 2025 Crypto Bull Run road trip. And true to my word, the box arrived. And I'm going to be bringing 100 Crypto Mentor 99, I don't gamble, but poker chips with me. And I'm going to be giving these away. I also have some more being delivered this week, as well as some other merchandise. But the Crypto Bull Run 2025 Crypto Bull Run road trip is becoming more and more a reality. And yeah, I got a virus like 4 weeks ago that I just can't shake. But anyhow, the trip will go on. I will feel stronger tomorrow a little bit more than I did today. Today I felt a little stronger than the day before. But that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. Follow me on my road trip. It'll be at the end of the month. I'm waiting for most of the merchandise is going to come the 17th or the 18th, and then I'm good to go. So that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being a part of my crypto family, and love y'all. Bye-bye.